Hello and welcome back to the Twisted Throttle. Today me and Finn are just going to be riding dirt bikes. I'm going to be riding his old one. It's a 125 Yamaha TTR. Wait, is it a 125 or is it a 110?
It's a 125.
Yeah. So
TTR.
I'm just going to be riding around for a little bit. Finn's going to be filming and then we're going to switch over to him and he's going to be riding his YZ85. So let's get started on that. This helmet is actually also Finn's.
Yeah, a lot of stuff that we're using is mine.
Yeah, see, if you guys out there don't know how to buckle your helmet, first take these two metal hinges and take the strap, make sure the button is facing up and put them through. Then grab the first strap that you went through, thread it down and through it, like that, and then clip it up to the button. And that's how you tie the helmet. I don't think I did that tight enough. Here, I'll just quick tighten it. There
Go
we
away,
go.
Wasp.
This helmet is actually a bit too big on me.
Ooh, first kick.
Get started with riding now.
Riding my YZ. Let's get into that. Grab my helmet first.
That's the end of this video. We are happy to share footage of us riding our dirt bikes, so we'll see you in the next episode. And make sure to like and subscribe.